Question 11a. Solve 5 sine 2x plus 3 cosine 2x equals 0. For 0 degrees is greater than x but lesser than 180 degrees. So 5 sine 2x is equals to minus 3 cosine 2x. Since tangent x equals sine x over cosine x. So sine 2x over cosine 2x equals minus 3 over 5. So it's tangent 2x equals minus 0.6. Then the inverse of tangent minus 0.6 is equals to minus 30.963. Then we plus it with 360, which is equals to 329, since we must run off to 31 first. Sorry, I forgot about that. Also, then we will add 180 with 31, which is equals to 149. That value is for 2x, so x equals to 329 over 2 and 149 over 2. So x is equals to 164.5 degrees and x equals to 74.5 degrees. Solve 2 cotangent square y plus 3 cosec y equals 0 for 0 degrees is less than y and less than 360 degrees. Cot y is equals to cosine y over sin y. Cosec y is equals to 1 over sin y. So we can replace it. 2 cosine square y over sine square y plus 3 over sin y is equals to 0. So then it becomes 2 sine square y minus 3 sin y minus 2 equals 0. So we can factorize it. 2 sin y plus 1 sin y minus 2 is equals to 0. So sin y could be half or 2, but we only take half. So y equals the inverse of sine of half is 30. So 360 minus 30 is equals to 330, and 180 plus 30 is equals to 210. So the answer is 330 and 210. Part C. So 3 cosine z plus 1.2 equals 2 for 0 is less than c less than 6 radians. So we need to, if we know that 3 cosine z plus 1.2 is equals to 2, so we can bring over the 3 to there. Cosine z plus 1.2 is equals to 2 over 3. So c plus 1.2 is equals to cosine minus 1, 2 over 3, which is equals to 40. Cosine 2 over 3 is equals to 48.189. So we can, there is 2 values also, so it's 360 minus 48.189, which is equals to 311.811. 180 over 301.811 is equals to pi over something. So this something is equals to pi times 301.811 over 180. which is equals to 5.4421. Also, it's the same for 48.189. So it becomes y times 48.189 over 180, which is equals to 0.841056. So we round them off, it becomes, then we input the z, so z plus 1.2 is equals to 5.4421 or 0.84105. So z is equals to 5.4421 minus 1.2, which is 4.2421, and z is equals to 0.84105 minus 1.2, which is equals minus 0.35895. But since it's not 0, so it's not included. So the other one, so the answer is z equals 4.2421, which will round off to 4.24. In the marking scheme, we'll get 1 mark for the use of tangent and dealing with 2x correctly, and 1 mark for each correct answer. For part B, we get 1 mark for the use of cotangent y equals cosine y over sine y and cosecant y equals 1 over sine y, and also one mark of attempting to do quadratic equation and this. For part C, we get 1 mark for correct order of operations, which is this, and also getting this and the answer.